How's it going, everybody? It's Shane, and I'm coming back with a update on the Mustang. I showed in a previous video that I purchased a Fore Innovations triple pump fuel system and a Paxton Novi 2200 centrifugal supercharger. First, I wanted to get the fuel system knocked out, and I had Anthony and Drew at Garage Built Performance, or GBP, in Baytown, Texas, near where I live, install the fuel system. I hung out with them at the track at TX2K, and I mentioned it to him, and he said, yeah, we can do that, no problem. So I got the car over to them a couple weeks ago. They did it, and they did a fantastic job, very clean work, and I'm very happy to show everybody this. Yeah, you can't even tell there's a fuel system in this car. That's what's crazy. Everything's just so black. That's why I got like little lights here. Maybe that'll help a little bit. But so yeah, here's the fuel rails. Very nice stuff. I'm gonna get rid of this metal line here, just put a regular line. So like I said, the Cobra Jet is coming off, and I'm going to get a Boss 302 manifold because I'm not trying to run boost through this. It's just pain in the ass. I don't want to deal with it. The return lines and everything. Regulator, they stuck it on this side because this is in the way, which would normally be in front. This came with the PMOS kit, but if I'm not mistaken, I think the Paxton puts it back here too. I'm not sure if it's on this side or that side, but when I put my kit on, we'll figure all that out. But probably just gonna keep it here because it works. Another thing I have to figure out, I have to get a different catch can system. Probably just one big can with two lines running to it, because this is right where the blower is gonna go. So that won't work. So now I'm gonna show you what they did in the trunk. It's pretty crazy, it kind of blew my mind, but you can't even tell when you pop the trunk that there's the controller in there. So when you get back here, first thing I noticed was, okay, there's a ground. So where's the controller? It's up here. Nice and tucked out of the way. All the lines, or the wires, sorry, are tucked back in here. They just did such a neat install. Like, I love this. Drew, like, he's very good with wiring. But yeah, he's very particular about his work, which, you know, hats off to him. It really shows. It's nice. I'm very happy with it. But yeah, he tucked it, and man, it's such a clean install. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know where they tuck the wires. I guess they run down through here, but I don't know. Can't see them. So Anthony and Drew had the car for a few days doing the install. Part of that was my fault. He said it was a one-day job, but I was a couple fittings short and I didn't have a hob switch. So right now the car is on one pump, 285. Once I put the blower on, I'll take it back to him. He'll wire in the hob switch, so it'll be running two pumps constantly, and then during full throttle or boost, whatever, it will kick the third pump on, and I'll have three of them running during that time. So that's all I have for you today. I just want to give you a little update on the Mustang. So the fuel system is in. We're ready to install the Paxton. I'll be doing the Paxton here in the next couple weeks, and then I will post a video of that. Hopefully everything goes well. I should have everything I need. Have to do some more data logging with Lund, and hopefully everything works out. On another note, I want to give a little update on the Talon. It does run and it does drive. I did drive it down the street briefly, but I have to button some things up. It's not roadworthy yet, but it has a new setup on it. We did a lot of fabricating here at the house. Shout out to Enrique for doing that for me. But look for an upcoming video, hopefully very soon, of this car. So got a lot of new stuff to talk about with it. But anyways, I'm gonna end it there, and I will see you in the next video.